So here is the Pittsburg 11,000 pound engine stand. I already took the top off. It's just right there. But here's your manual. Shows you how it all goes together. Some little pretty bubble wrap. But here's all what's in here. I'm going to put it together and then we can go over it after I'm done. Assembly, I mean, you guys can watch it if you want. So here it is, finished product. Yes, these are loose because you tighten them up once you find your spot on your engine. It didn't go too bad. It was pretty fast of a build, maybe half hour or so, if I didn't have some trouble. Now, it is a pain in the ass to get to these, unless you have one of them little wrenches with the ratchet on it, but I don't. I got old school. So you gotta like grip down on this because it's a swivel, which is, I don't know why they didn't just extend it up to here. It would have made it a lot easier to get to. But in here you just gotta do quarter turn. Don't get frustrated. Make sure this doesn't spin. So that's a complaint there. You got this bolt down there, which I guess you'd want this to be out as far as possible for the cantilever when you have weight here. I don't know what, you wouldn't want to put it up there, but they probably do that so you can pull it apart and then store it so it doesn't take up so much room. And then you have your safety pin here to keep it from spinning. Now what was a bitch is this snap ring. It doesn't want, I have to get, I guess, a new tool or something. I have a snap ring tool, but when I was opening this up, it would just twist and it wouldn't open up wide enough. And I was just like, screw it, we'll deal with it later. You don't really even need it because you have this cap on and then you put this whole bar through. So, and you have the safety pin. Now, if you pull the safety pin, this can go, but it still stops. So, whatever. I don't know if there's a really need for that. It's just an extra safety thing in case somebody doesn't put this in or put this on or put that on, which would be stupid, but so there's that. And then you want to grease this up. I had bearing grease. They say axle grease, but you know, whatever, same shit, different day. And then the only other thing, now this can hold 1,000 pounds. So my engine, I don't know how heavy it is, but this car, I think it's like 2,300 pounds. So it can hold like pretty much half my car. Now the one thing that sucks is this. It is not level. So what I'll have to do is probably put some washers up in there to just bring this wheel down to make it level. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take this apart, which sucks, but you know, it's Chinese made, right? And it's probably this bracket right here looks like it is bent like that. So, or I guess you can hammer that, because it's a, yeah, it was just welded on wrong. So anyways, there it is. Not too bad for $100. I'll leave a link in the description. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.